But as we can see, we have a nice little kitty right here. That wasn't our kitty who ran, but this little kitty is. This little kitty. This is our little kitty cat. She's an outside cat. She's very nice. So let's give her some treats. Let's go find some treats for her. And we got some nice little treats. She loves these things. Alright, let me show you guys the treats. These are the treats that we give her. She likes them. These little tiny little pieces. So let's put one on the ground. Alright, well, I was just showing you guys my cat. Bye!